Meet Bassem Talalweh, a name becoming synonymous with business transformation and HR excellence in the Middle East. In 2019, after 27 years in HR and OD, Bassem founded Talalweh Consultancy. Bassem Talalweh, CEO of Talalweh Consultancy, has articulated a clear vision for the firm's future, emphasizing the integration of technology, leadership development, and client-centric solutions. Bassem envisions a future where businesses leverage artificial intelligence and automation to enhance customer engagement and operational efficiency. He advocates for the adoption of AI-powered chat assistants, particularly on platforms like Facebook Messenger, to provide real-time, personalized customer interactions. This approach aims to improve response times and reduce workloads for businesses, making advanced customer service tools accessible to small and medium-sized enterprises. Through these initiatives, Bassem Talalweh seeks to position Talalweh Consultancy as a leading partner for organizations aiming to navigate the complexities of modern business environments and achieve sustainable growth. Bassem Talalweh sees artificial intelligence, AI, playing a transformative role in the future of Talalweh Consultancy, particularly in the following ways. Bassem emphasizes the use of AI-powered chatbots, especially on platforms like Facebook Messenger, to provide real-time responses, personalized experiences, 24/7 customer support. This reduces human workload and operational costs while improving customer satisfaction, a key offering for SMEs seeking efficiency without sacrificing quality. Bassem sees AI as a tool to optimize HR processes, e.g., talent acquisition, performance evaluation, support leadership decision-making with real-time dashboards and predictive analytics, align business strategies with measurable outcomes for making advanced technology accessible. One of his goals is to democratize access to AI tools, helping small and mid-sized enterprises benefit from innovations usually reserved for large corporations. In essence, AI is not just a tool, but a strategic pillar for Talalweh Consultancy's future, aiming to empower organizations with intelligent systems that support growth, agility, and long-term success.